One of the most important parts of a business is its finances. But managing the finances, payrolls, and invoices can be tricky. If you are in the process of starting up a business and trying to set up books, we can configure the books in accounting software. Whether you need monthly bookkeeping to track your business, or annual catch-up for tax purposes, we have the right package for you. QuickBooks services by experts at Pacemakers Business Consultants give small businesses more freedom to focus on their business. When used to its fullest, it is a deep and powerful system that can clarify any financial issue facing your company. QuickBooks helps businesses easily manage their accounting, payroll, invoicing, and customer contacts. To serve those needs, we have QuickBooks Pro advisors and experienced QuickBooks users on staff. We can help business owners in selecting the QuickBooks program best suited for their unique needs as well as customize their company files. In each area, Pacemakers Business Consultants adheres to best practice-driven methods in order to deliver high-quality services. Each engagement has predictable outcomes and measurable results. Get in touch, and let's push forward together in ventures to success.